Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a jellyfish. So let's get started. To draw this cute jellyfish, let's start by drawing a big mochi shaped body. So I'm going to start right here and start out with my curve, and I'm going to go in because it's narrower at the top. And just try my best here to create this big curve. It's always harder because I'm drawing pretty big, but bear with me here as I draw this. Okay, so now that I have this big curve at the top, I'm going to come out a little bit more to widen it out towards the sides, and then start to bring it in on both sides. So like a big mochi ball, and then bring it in. And of course, this drawing is just meant to inspire you. There's a million different kinds of jellyfish shapes out there, so just have fun with this. And so now that I have this and they're pretty much on the same height, I'm going to go ahead and come in and close it off. But as I close it off, I'm going to connect it with these curves. Maybe one in the center, bigger one, and then two more smaller ones, just like the other side. And connect there. And then we're going to just draw one more layer. So right about here, I'm just going to start with a curve, and same thing on the other side. So about right here, just going to draw both of these so I know where I'm going. And then from there, I'm just going to fill it up in this area with more curves. And then maybe same thing again, a bigger one in the center. And two more. There. So now we have that. Then we need to draw the tentacles, of course. So I'll start in the center right here, and I'm just going to start to the left, give myself a point, and to the right. And let's go ahead, and I'm just going to curve down. And with this one right here, I'm just going to draw one of these wobbles all over this tentacle. And then same thing on this one. And maybe wobble this one more and come in. So your goal is just to draw a bunch of different ones going in different directions just to change it up. So just have fun. You can put as many as you want or as little. So I'm going to come right about here and draw a plain tentacle. So right about here, maybe a little bit shorter. And just thicken it up. And then one more on the side, perhaps. Maybe a little wiggle. And wobble. There. Okay, so let's do the same thing on the other side. Just want to change up the direction maybe. So go this way. And then one more. Just try to make mine a little bit more even. Maybe this one's a little bit longer. There. Okay, so now that we have our tentacles in, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So I'm going to say about right here, I'll just start kind of in this area. I'll just draw a big circle for draw so cute eye. And then I'm going to come across about this much and draw another eye. There. So now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now if I have my eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just draw a curve over each eye. And then in between, of course, let's give our jellyfish a sweet smile. So I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a curve and cap it off. There. And then I'm going to just maybe bring out these curves just for some details. Oh, actually, you know what? This one should go this way. Sorry. And then another one right here. And then I'll put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute jellyfish. And you can also add maybe some circles for bubbles all around, just to make it extra cute. There's some here, just change it up. And one more batch right here. There. And of course, when you're coloring it, have fun. There's just so many different ways you can color it, but hopefully I've inspired you today to draw this cute jellyfish, and I've helped you draw it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.